Okay, great. So my friend, what we put here is the gel peel. It's called the gel peel, a special product for the Dead Sea. It's make deep clean for the face. Okay. Now the spots you have in the face, it's inside the skin. So what we actually do now, we need to peel off all the dead and all the dry skin and suck everything from the inside. Suck everything from the inside. It's work like a vacuum cleaner. Now take a look. I start to do massage like this. Okay. To peel off all the dead and all the dry skin. First of all, I start open up the pores. I remove all the poison from the pores. Everything. Now you tell me, what do you see right now on your wrist? Tell me, what do you see?
I can see a kind of substance, particles are forming something, as forming light or something.
I tell you what it is.
Okay.
Dead skin cells.
Okay.
It's your dead skin.
Okay.
The poison from the pores, the bacteria from the inside your blood. All the shit. All the shit. All what you don't need on the face. Now this is only from your wrist. You can imagine what comes out from all over the face. Okay? It's your dead skin, the bacteria from the inside, everything is coming out. Now, to remove it only with the cotton ball, because if you wash it with the water, you're gonna lose all the minerals and all the vitamin. Okay? So only with cotton ball like this, and everything is coming out, and all the minerals and the vitamin is contained inside the medication for the skin. So it's absorbed to the lost tissue, and it's remove all the pigmentation you have, all the spots you have. Okay? Take a look what comes out from the wrist from this guy. You can imagine what comes out from your face.
Nice.
Nines? What does mean nines?
Perfect.
Perfect, yes.
Really
Special
working.
for a dark skin, it's make deep clean for the face. To completely the treatment. This one is light cream. You put moisturizer sometimes on the face. Which one? What the moisturizer use for the face? You understand what I say? You speak English.
Yeah.
Great. You put moisturizer on the face? Day cream?
Yeah.
Which one?
You might not know it because it's not from this country.
Not
I
from
bought
this
it in
country.
my country.
Okay, you happy with that?
Yes.
Good. Take a look. Now let's say this is your face now after the gel peel. Take a look how quickly the moisturizer absorbing very quickly inside to your skin, because they clean everything and sucked everything from the inside. Okay? Now if you give me the second wrist for a second. But you listen to me, yeah?
Yeah, I'm with you.
Great. So the second wrist, let's say this is your face every morning, and every morning you use moisturizer. Okay? And every morning you use moisturizer. Now take a look what happened here. It's not going inside. It's like a cover. It's oily. And this is why men don't like moisturizer on the face. Take a look, it's like a cover. So the spots you have, the moisturizer is covered. The spots you have. The dead and the dry skin is covered the spots. So normal soap cannot take it off because it's inside the skin. We need to peel off everything. We need to remove it